Number 2. Expand 8z minus 9y raised to the power of 2. Solution. We have 8z minus 9y raised to the power of 2. Now, using the algebraic identity, if you have my a minus b squared, the first one squared, then minus 2ab, first, second, then plus the second square. So here, using that same principle, we have the first one, 8z squared, minus what? 2 of 8z into the second one, 9y, then plus the last one that we have here, just like b squared. So we have 9y squared. So from here, the two we affect each of the item inside. And the first one, we have a number 8 squared, and we have 8 squared z squared. Now 2 times, or we say 8 times 9. 8 times 9, that is 72. Now 72 times 2, that would be 144. So we have 144, we have z and y here. So 144yz plus the 2 we also affect each item here. So we have 9 squared, then y squared. So from here, what do we have? 8 squared. 8 times 8 is going to be what? 64. So we have 64 z squared minus 144 yz plus what? 9 squared, that is 9 times 9, that is 81. So plus 81 y squared. We have 81y squared. So that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.